How to save and download Instagram messages. To save and download Instagram messages, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have your stable internet connection, you need to open up your Instagram application. After opening your Instagram, you need to go with the profile, which is on the bottom, and then go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and tap on the account center. Under account center, you need to go with personal details, or you can go with your information, and then tap on download your information. And here you need to tap on download or transfer information, and then select your Instagram and tap on next, which is on the bottom. Once you tap on next, which is on the bottom, tap on some of your information, because you want to only save or download the messages or DMs, right? So go with some of your information, scroll down, and then select your messages from here and tap on next. Tap on download to device, tap on date range. So I'll just simply go with last week and then save, and go with the notification email, the format, media quality, and then tap on create files. And within 24 hours or within a few hours, you will receive a mail that your information is ready to download, and you'll be able to download the file. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.